So, good morning. We're going to attempt to build and deploy a decision tree learning algorithm in under 2 minutes. So let's get on with it. This first stage is just importing some libraries. Don't want to dwell on that too much. The next stage is importing some data about red and white wines, which turns out to be very similar to classifying apprentices. Very quickly, we need to downsample the data because there's too many whites. That's just a data science thing, but here we've got into 50-50. So now we're moving on to splitting the data into testing and training data sets. Training data will build the model and the testing will check the accuracy, and we've got it into 75% for training, 25% for testing. Now we're going to build the decision tree model. Just these 2 lines of code will build our machine learning algorithm, and we can see that against the test data it's managing to predict all those wines with 93% accuracy. Feature importances vary quickly. We might want to know what factors affect the decisions of the model, and now we want to visualize the decision tree because we haven't looked at it yet, and it's a nice pretty picture of what the decision tree looks like that we can use to help understand it. And now the meat of making the predictions. So I define a simple little function here, then I'm going to look at my first wine and my second wine from the data and make a single prediction against them. I can see that it's accurately predicting red or white. I can make bulk predictions against that's 800 predictions been made in an eye blink, and we could apply that to apprentices. And finally, how would we put it into prediction environment? Well, this nice little representation of what's going on inside the tree can be easily produced, and then it can be deployed into this simple 1 page of code, and this could be just put straight into ProSolution or the web portal to help to deploy our application. And finally, we're just going to test that last piece of code works and it's accurately predicting red or white. So my 2 minutes are up. It's a bit of a whistle-stop tour even, but I hope it's explained a little bit more and showed how it could all work in practice. Thank you.